Hey guys, so it's time to do the speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 5 Pro versus the Mi A1. Both of them are amazing smartphones from Xiaomi. The Mi A1 has Snapdragon 625 processor and the Redmi Note 5 Pro has a Snapdragon 636 processor. And I have installed Android Nougat on the Mi A1 just for the fair comparison. I will do another video on the Mi A1 Android 8.0 Oreo versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but for this video I have installed the Android Nougat on the Mi A1. Yeah, let's see which one wins this race. So first off, starting with the booting test. Okay, so let's begin with booting up both of them in 3 2 1. So both are the smartphones from Xiaomi. The Mi A1 has stock Android installed while the Redmi Note 5 Pro has the MIUI 9 operating system, and this is actually powered by Google's Android One, so it will get the latest updates. Let's see which one wins this race, and the winner is Mi A1 guys with stock Android, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro was a little bit late. Yeah, not a huge difference. So both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and we are not having any applications running in the background. Also both are having similar applications only for testing. There are no extra applications installed. So yeah, let's begin with the dialer in 3 2 1. Okay, so I think both were exactly same guys, no difference at all. Let's open Messenger. And the Redmi Note 5 Pro was a little bit faster there. Now let's open the camera in 3 2 1. So the Mi A1 clearly wins here guys. Now let's open the settings in 3 2 and 1. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro was the winner here. It loaded the settings application first, while the Mi A1 was a little bit slow. Not a huge difference at all guys, very minute difference. Now let's jump to the third party applications. There we will see the real speed test. Let's start with opening the social applications like WhatsApp in 3 2 1, and both were exactly same, no difference at all. Twitter, both were same, no difference at all. Instagram, so the Redmi Note 5 Pro was a little bit faster there. Let's open Facebook. Okay, so both were exactly same. I feel the Mi A1 was a bit faster there, but let me know in the below comment section. Now time to open some games. Let's start with the Fruit Ninja in 3 2 1. Okay, so both are loading the game. The Mi A1 is little bit slow while the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins. Yeah, that was expected from the Snapdragon 636 processor. Now let's open the Subway Surfers in 3 2 1. Okay, so already started loading the game. The Redmi Note 5 Pro wins again, while the Mi A1 was a little bit late guys. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is completely nailing in terms of performance. Yeah, let's open another game which is the Vector 2. So both are on the splash screen. Let's see which starts the game first. And both are really close guys. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins again. Now let's open the Snapchat in 3 2 1. So there the Redmi Note 5 Pro was a bit late. The Mi A1 wins here. And let's open the Snapseed in 3 2 1. Both are exactly same guys, no difference at all. Yeah, let's do the RAM management test of both of these smartphones. Let's see which smartphone has refreshed the application. Let's begin with Instagram. Both are there. Subway Surfers, Snapchat, Vector 2, Fruit Ninja, Facebook, So both are amazing smartphones, guys. There was no applications which was refreshed. Both are having amazing processor, and the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins here, but the Mi A1 is definitely not a loser because that was expected from the Snapdragon 625. Yeah, that was all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will be doing more speed tests. The Redmi Note 5 Pro versus the Moto X4 versus the Moto G5s Plus and versus many more smartphones are coming soon. So stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.